Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I have an unboxing from Craspire. They sent me an email a while ago asking if I would like to review some of their products. So I want to share with you today what items I picked out. I actually picked out a stamping kit and a stamping wax seal. But before I show you those, I want to let you know that it came very well wrapped and secured, but it did take a minute for it to get here. So let's get into it. This is the kit here that came together. The stamp seal came separate. So these three came together. These are the wax, or this is the wax that they sent. And you can see all these pretty colors. Love the colors. Also, this is the spoon that came with it. And this is the base. And obviously, I am going to have to get a one of those little candles. I forgot what you call those, but one of the little candles, tea light candles, to sit under here. And then I put the spoon here, and I put my wax in here, and it will melt. I also picked out a wax stamp seal, and this is it with a wooden handle. And I want to say that this says Merry Christmas, and I was hoping that I got it before Christmas so I could use it, but I'm thinking that this says Merry Christmas. I love the details around it, so I can't wait to use this. I've never used these before. I have received some, and they were absolutely gorgeous, and I have seen videos of others using this, so I'm very excited about this. I also want to let you know that you can get $5 off your purchase of $40 by using the code TYS5. I will have the link down below. Please make sure you stop by and check them out. I'm sure that there is something there that you would find that you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know that I definitely appreciate it, and you guys have a great crafty day. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'm going to show you my wax seals. Have a great one. Bye-bye.